Inversion Table. Do you suffer from back pain or sciatica? If you do, then you are a part of 80% of all adults who suffer from various types of back pain during their lives and could benefit by owning an inversion table and implementing a daily practice of inversion therapy. If you have talked to your doctor and want to give inversion therapy a try, here are some of the best machines on the market that are worth seeing. So let's get started. Number 1. Innova ITX 9600 Inversion Table. The Innova Inversion Table is one of the overall bestest table on the market today. This table is ideal for people who are looking to treat back pain. The ITX has a large padded backrest and hardest for when you invert. The equipment boasts 6 different positional options, ideal for people of different heights and needs. The sturdy metal system includes ergonomic handholds, reversible ankle holding blocks, and an adjustable headrest. Number 2. Harrison Heavy Duty Inversion Table. The Harrison Inversion Table is made with a memory foam 3D backrest that supports both the back and neck with an ergonomic design, hugging your body's natural contours to allow for added comfort and pain relief. The table can invert anywhere from 20 degrees to a full 180 degrees. Number 3. Innova ITM 4800 Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table. Inversion is one such option, heat and massage are others. The Innova Inversion Table combines them all into one device that might just be the thing to deliver your relief. With many of the options of a standard inversion table, what sets the Innova apart is the lumbar pad. This adjustable rectangular pad both massages your back and applies heat to whenever you need it. Number 4. Exerpotic Inversion Table with Sherlock and Airsoft. The Exerpotic Inversion Table takes security to the highest level with the large and comfortable airsoft holder ankle straps. Unlike most inversion table, this Sherlock and Airsoft table has extra large security when you're inverted. The Sherlock ankle locking system uses 2-palm activated adjustable rat-edged tooth lock to secure your feet in places before you go upside down. Number 5. Ironman Gravity 4000. The Ironman branded Gravity 4000 is designed for a larger inverters. With a maximum height of 6 foot 6 inches and a weight limited to 350 pounds, this table can invert a large, strong athlete without issue. In addition to its extra size and strength, the Ironman Gravity 4000 has several other nice features people will enjoy. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.